What? You're a pretty boy? You're a Georgie boy? Huh?
Can you do a favour for me? Can you? Yeah, Baba, can you straighten my hair?
Almost. He just managed to reach that. But second iPod, it's going to be the keeper's job.
That's an excellent bit of bowling. I think we see it again. I think he saw it coming. I think he fired it wide to try and beat the outside edge. And just get it back on him.
George, say kiss, kiss.
67 for 5.
Kiss, kiss.
Sky Sports, your home of sport.
अपना shadow देख
Wherever
रहा
you
है.
want, wherever you are.
Let's get straight to the draw. It is Middlesbrough against
Pretty?
and Southampton
Pretty
against
boy.
Liverpool.
The Capital One Cup quarter-finals.
George, kiss, kiss.
Only on Sky Sports.
Mom, Mama feeling.
The custard, isn't it? Because of the sweetness.
वो इसलिए है कि अब जाके जरा थोड़ा सा उसको करो.
Kish, kish.
मीठा खाया है ना, मीठा हमेशा तंग करेगा.
मैं और क्या खाऊं?
मैंने कहा था दूध और वो सीरियल के साथ जरा हल्का रखो डाइट.